Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Minds. My name is Hasan Khurram and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach Tableau, a data visualization tool. That being said, for today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can actually create and customize box plots in MATLAB. So moving on to the practical programming section. So in order to generate a box plot, you should have some sort of data. So here I have created an imaginary data with the help of randn. So randn is a function in MATLAB that help us create some random values of data. Here we are actually emphasizing we are passing two input arguments. The first input argument is the number of rows and the second input argument is the column. So it will generate 100 rows with 3 columns where each element will have some randomly generated value, and this random generated value will have a normal distribution. So once we generated our data, what we can do, we will simply use box plot function of MATLAB and pass input argument data which is in the form of matrix, and then we will use the basic plotting notation as we use for other plots in MATLAB. So we will use title, x label and y label. X label is used to label x-axis, y label is used to label y-axis, and title is to give the title a name. Okay, now let me just run this block of code for you. So now you can see that we have our box plot. We will have like this is like the median, and this is like the minimum, this is like the maximum, and we have 25th percentile and 75th percentile as well. Now we can, what we can do, actually we can like rotate this orientation and we can actually plot horizontal box plots. That is quite easy to do. We will simply pass two input argument to the function box plot. The first input argument will remain the same data. The second input argument, we are emphasizing that we want orientation to change. So this is like telling MATLAB, okay, this is the option we want to change. Then this is where we actually tell what to do with that thing. So here we define that we want to change the option of orientation, and here you define that how that orientation will be. So in our case we set it to horizontal. Now verse 1 done, we will title it, we will label it, and we are good to go. We will have horizontal box plot. Now let's move on and actually do some little bit customization. So this is where we will adjust whisker length to detect more outliers. Okay, so in order to do that, in the same we will do the same modification. In the same context, we will use the function box plot. We will input data as an input argument. Then we will define what kind of option we want to change. Here we are defining we want to change whisker, and the second value after the comma we are assigning its value. So we want to set whisker value to 1.5. Now that being done, when we run it, you can see that we can have adjusted the length of whisker. Okay, so that's it for now for today's tutorial. I hope this tutorial have been helpful. If you have any question regarding today's tutorial, feel free to write down your comments. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you for joining me, and I will catch you soon in the next video.